I'm Chris Royster, Executive Chef at the Flagstaff House Restaurant in Boulder, Colorado, and we're going to be preparing a seared red snapper over an heirloom tomato panzanella. Generally, this dish has a lot of basil in it, a lot of fresh herbs, so it's really nice to have microgreens to kind of finish it off with, because then it's going to bring that really bright herb flavor to the plate that we want. And then with that, we have arugula and mustard green, and this is going to add a little bit of spice to the dish, which is kind of necessary with the amount of sweetness that we have in the heirloom tomatoes themselves. This is fun. We use Mountain Man Micros because of the fresh quality of the micros themselves. You know, Andy does a terrific job with these. I've loved them since the day that he brought them into the door. The freshness and being able to trim them ourselves as we get ready to plate is the key here. And Andy bringing them out to us every single week for Mountain Man is amazing to have. So having the variety there is important for presentation as the flavor. Makes our dishes better.